Alright guys, this is News Listener by Angelo. Salamat po sa mga manunod at makikinig ng channel na to. And if hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, you can subscribe to support the channel. Salamat po. Okay guys, pag-usapan natin yung balita recently from July 10 na kung saan yung opisina ni Vice President Sara Duterte ay nakareceive ng unmodified opinion from the Commission of Audit sa 3 taon. Okay? Alright. So ano bang ibig sabihin ng unmodified opinion? Okay? So yan ang pag-uusapan natin, but before we talk about the unmodified opinion, now let's go to GMA News dito sa Facebook at let's see yung mga opinion ng mga tao. Okay? Let's see kung opinion ng tao or troll or ng mga DDS supporter ng mga Duterte. Okay? So sabi dito, J. Amor, unmodified means OVP account complied with standards, but it doesn't erase the concerns how the confidential funds were used. These funds remain largely unaudited in detail. So sakto yan. Actually, na-research ko yan recently. Tapos sabi ng isa, COA says is all. Okay, parang hindi naintindi ng taong ito. Sasabi lang siya ng, sinabi na ng COA, wala siyang problema. Okay, but yung unmodified opinion is hindi naman talaga sinasabing walang problema. Okay? O, isa naman to. Good job, President, VP. Sana marami kayong matulungan. O, yun na nga, di ba? May mga supporter na wala pa ring alam kung anong talagang ibig sabihin nito. Okay. Sabi dito may supporting document bawat financial statement. Sadyang hinahanapan ng mali ang OVP. So, kung may supporting document, naiintindihan ba ng taong ito kung anong talagang ibig sabihin ng ganon? O, di ba? O, tapos, syempre, gagawin nila, yung house, di ba? O, yun. O, tapos dito, tuwadcom. Okay? Pero syempre, hindi pwede wala sasabihin si Castro. Well, kung itatanong ng mga reporter, definitely sasagot yung Malacanang, di ba? Okay. Tapos, pakiayos ng caption nyo, GMA, hindi maintindihan lahat ng Pilipino yan. Nahahalata lang lalo kayo. So, ang problema sa mga tao nagsasabing ganito, bakit ayaw niyong pumunta doon sa link at basahin talaga kung anong ibig sabihin ng unmodified opinion? Tapos, yung caption dito, wala namang ibig sabihin na siraan yung vice presidente. Di ba? So yun. Ginagawa na lang parang parang intriga para sirain yung credibility ng isang news organization. So, yung mga trolls, syempre, 2028, malapit na yung election. So, gagawa sila ng issue, di ba? So, yun. Okay, so pag-usapan natin guys, punta tayo sa Gemini, okay, ng Google. Pwede kayong pwede nyo itong gawin, okay? At sabi ko dito, if an agency, wait, punta tayo sa taas. So can you tell me about the COA unmodified opinion, please? Okay, sabi dito, in the Philippines, an unmodified opinion, also sometimes referred as an qualified opinion from the Commission of Audit, is most favorable audit opinion an agency can receive. Here's the breakdown. Uh, Fair presentation of financial statements. So that means yung pagpresenta ng kanilang financial statements ay true, 'di ba? Na ilahad na na nabasa ng auditor na well prepared yung mga materials nila at ito ay according sa kanilang standards, 'di ba? Sabi dito, 'yon, to the International Public Sector Accounting Standards or Philippine Financial Reporting Standards, okay? Walang no material misstatements. So the audit concludes that the financial statements are free from material misstatements. So whether due to fraud or error. So walang material misstatements, okay? Adherence accounting principle. It indicates the agency has adhered relevant accounting principles, standard making managing public funds. So yung kanilang pagproseso ng accounting ay nasa standards naman. 'Di ba? Okay, important consideration and misconception. While unmodified opinion is highly desirable, it's crucial to understand what does not necessarily mean. Okay. It doesn't mean that there were no statements or irregularities. So that means hindi naman it doesn't mean na wala nang misstatements at irregularities. Okay? It does not guarantee full compliance with laws and rules and regulations. So kung ganito yung opinion, hindi naman daw garantiya na nagfa-follow sila ng laws and regulations. Oh, 'yon, 'di ba? And it's not a clean bill health in all aspects of agency. Hindi siya doesn't mean na walang issue na mangyayari, 'di ba? Oh, so anong nangyari sa confidential funds, yung mga funds ni Sara Duterte nang naging DepEd secretary siya, merong mga disallowances, right? At irregularities coming from COA. Okay, so kinonfirm natin ulit, punta tayo sa baba. If an agency have an unmodified opinion, does that mean there's no corruption? O sabi ni Gemini, no. Unmodified opinion does not mean there's no corruption in agency. Okay? So ang paggamit ng unmodified daw para ipresenta yung kanilang financial statements. Okay? Yung accuracy, ang completeness ng financial statements. Okay? Pero it doesn't mean na walang corruption na may kita. Alright? Okay. So yun, napaka-klaro. If you guys want to know more, you can read here. Okay? For more information. Okay? Hindi ko man to may discuss lahat kasi I have limited time dahil sa aking trabaho. I hope you guys understand, but if you have free time, you can check based on your research. So mag-research tayo para at least malaman naman natin ang anong talagang score ng unmodified opinion. Para naman hindi tayo malinglang ng mga DDS or mga supporters ng mga Duterte sa online. Okay? Alright guys, if you have any comments and suggestion, you can type that in and I'll see you in the next video. Salamat po.